হেল্ল' ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, আপোনালোকে যদি আমাৰ চেনেলটোত নতুনকৈ আহিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে চেনেলটো আমাৰ লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ, ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লগতে ঘণ্টা বটনটো দবাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব।
হেল্ল' এভৰিৱান, আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ নতুন এটি ভিডিঅ'ত। চ' আজি 60টা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ কুৱেশ্যন লৈ উপস্থিত হৈছোঁহি। বহুত এক্সামত এই কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক আহে, গতিকে আহক মই জাষ্ট ABCD তেনেকৈ অপশ্যনবিলাক কৈ যাম আৰু আপোনালোকে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো ভালদৰে স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট মাৰি থ'ব পাৰে বা লিখি থ'ব পাৰে। এতিয়া আহক ভিডিঅ'টোলৈ আমি আগবাঢ়োঁ। প্ৰথমটো হ'ল হু ৱাজ দ্য ইয়াৰলিয়েষ্ট কিং অফ আছাম। অপশ্যন হ'ব আপোনাৰ কোনটো? বি, The Treaty of Yandabo took place between B option. Who among the following of the first British Commissioner of Assam? A. What was the little of overall administration head of Lower Assam region during the Ahom rule? A. Who was the first governor of Assam? কোনটো হ'ব? C. Who was the second governor of Assam? A. When did Assam become the chief commissioner's province? C. The second invasion of Burmese over Assam took place in কোনটো? C. Who was the first prime minister during the signing of Assam Accord? D. Who among the following was the first to establish a tea garden in Assam? C. Which was the first Assamese language magazine? B. Which was the first Assamese children's magazine? D. During the reign of which king Huan Sang came to Assam? C. The first invasion of Burmese over Assam took place in B. Who among the following was the king of Burma during their first invasion over Assam? A. In which year the Battle of Saraighat was fought between the Ahom and the Mughals? C. The Treaty of Yandabo was signed on B. Maniram Dewan established the first tea garden in Assam at A. The first organization that was established to develop Assam literature and language. A. What is the name of the first Assamese woman magazine? C. Which of the following association was formed by Manik Chandra Barua? B. Which the first mobile theatre of Assam Natras was started by? A. AGP came to the power in Assam for the first time in B. Who was the only representative from Assam as well as the Northeast in during drafting committee in the Indian Constitution? C. The first and only Sanskrit college in Assam situated at A. The first medical college of Assam was established at B. Upper Assam was annexed to British Empire in B. In which king of Assam is participated in the Kannada's religion festival? D. Who was the prime minister of King Bana? B. The Digholi Pukhuri in Guwahati is associated with C. During 1376 to 1380, the Bolgokhai and Boragokhai carried on the administration. Who was the next Ahom king after them? C. In which year Soraighat Bridge was inaugurated over the river Brahmaputra? C. The first railway line was opened in Assam between A. In which of the following sites has Hindu, Buddhist and Jain together? B. King Kandarpesar was allotted to settle in which place after 1857? D. Which of the personality was better known as economy and social reform during the Ahom rule? B. When did Assam Pradesh Congress Committee form? D. Who was known as Vikramaditya of Kamrup? C. Which one of the following is the first government college in Assam? B. The Ahom kingdom originated in which period of history? A. Who was the Ahom king when Mir Jumla invaded Assam? B. Which Sutia king built Sadia? A. During which dynasty Madan Kamdev temple was built? D. Along with the ASU, which other organization of Assam signed of Assam Accord? A. The Subansiri and fixed as the boundary of between Ahom of Koch kingdom by. C. Who was the president of Assam Sahitya Sabha held at Shillong 1953? C. The Kaziranga was announced to protected area by Lord Curzon at. D. Which of the following cultural institution was born out of Assam Accord? C. Hinduism was established in Pragjotishpur by King A. The Assam Association, the first political organization in Assam, was formed in B. Who represented the Mughal side in the Treaty of Khilajari-Ghat? B. In which year Communist Party was formed at Golaghat? D. Sukafa is said to have marched through which pass of Patkai range of hill? B. Year 1894 is related to C. In Sanskrit inscriptions, the name of Narayan is mentioned as C. Which one of these Satradhikar played as essential role in India's freedom and social reform movement? A. Who was on duty in Lower Assam under British administration in Assam? B. Who was the only Assam to take part in the history round table conference as a representative of India? A. For how many days Captain Walsh stayed in Assam? C. Who led the famous 1857 revolt against British in Assam? C. Thank you for watching, guys.